All right, so it's a little hack trick. I don't know if you know about this or not, but this is what I got to work with. So I got this AC. Get this AC. Okay, this is a wall unit. Normally, this is a 220 outlet. It is a 220 outlet, but that's a 110 AC that somebody stuck in there. Okay, so I can show you a little hack on this, man. In case you didn't know, you can turn that into a 110 outlet. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, so on your outlet, you have two hots, right? You got two, basically you have two 110 circuits, okay? Basically, that's what you've got in there. So what you do is at the breaker box, let's see, this is the breaker. It's a double pole 15. So it's two 15 amp or two 15 legs going to the outlet, right? So normally you'd have a black and a white wire going in here because, you know, they don't make double blacks. So anyways, so whenever you have the white wires going to the outlet or to the breaker, you always tape that black tape on it. That lets you know that, hey, this is a hot leg. And you should do the same thing in the outlet. That way everybody knows, hey man, this is not a ground wire, this is a hot wire, right? So what I did was kill the breaker, always kill the breaker. I took the white wire off out of there and I put it on the ground, okay? So basically I cut the power in half, right? So then on the outlet, the white wire has become your ground or neutral, and you have one 15 amp leg coming in, right? You always got to make sure that because this one was reversed. I had the black wire on this side, white wire on this side, right? Well, this is the grounding side, right? And this is the power side on your regular outlet, okay? So I had to switch the two wires because when I put my tester in, it reads incorrect or it'll say something funky, right? So by switching that around, now I've got my ground side, my hot side. So now, hold on a second. So now, when I put my tester in there, it'll read correct, gives me 125 volt, okay? And I know that the breaker is a 15, so that means I got 15 amps. So if you look at the code on here, the AC only pulls, let me see if I get that in there closer. Not gonna focus. Yeah, it will. The AC is pulling 8 amps, okay? And where's it at? Okay, yeah, so it's pulling 8 amps as a 115 volt air conditioner. So that way I've got enough voltage, I have plenty of amperage. Now instead of having this on an extension cord going over there, now I can put this all back together and plug it in there and it'll work. So now I got it plugged in, everything's working with no problems. It's just a heads up, man. You know what I'm saying? So if you got a window AC, or you don't want to buy a 220 AC to go in your window, you know, but your outlet is only for 220, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you fix that. You still got a ground, you still got a negative, and you still got a positive. That's how you do it, man. You guys have a blessed day, man.